Oriflame Sweden has launched their kit products और जिसमें है ये Love Nature का hair and body wash. It comes with 2 flavors. This is apple and the second one is strawberry. They also have Love Nature soap bar. Let's try these products. Juicy and scented hair and body wash, absolutely made for kids' delicate skin. Sweet and juicy soap bar is also made for kids. Gently cleanse your baby skin and it will leave the skin really refreshed. ये products kids को specifically mind में रखकर बनाए गए हैं. So why not to try these Oriflame Kids product?